Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. So for today's episode, we are going to do a comparison video of two vanity bags that I have. So we are going to discuss Louis Vuitton's Nice Mini and we are going to compare it to my vintage Chanel vanity bags. We are going to discuss all the good stuff, the specification, dimension, mod shot, what fits inside, and of course, my final recommendation. So if you want to learn everything about these two beautiful vanity bags, please stay tuned. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest news about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. Guys, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam by clicking this cute little icon here so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Also, please do follow me on Instagram.com/Amirify so you can get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys, welcome back. Alright, so let us begin with the comparison of our beautiful vanity bags here. So here we have our vintage vanity bag in white caviar by Chanel. Is it focusing? Alright. And then here we are going to compare it to Louis Vuitton Nice Mini in the monogram canvas. So firstly guys, let us start with the dimension, materials and everything. So firstly, let us begin with the Chanel vanity bag here. So the dimension of this bag, length-wise, so length is 20 centimeters, width is 14 centimeters, and height from here to here, that would be 11 centimeters. So the material of this one, so this kind of vanity bags by Chanel for their vintage bags, it comes in different materials. So like this one comes in the caviar leather. Over there guys, as you can see, am I pointing right? So that one is in black patent leather. It also comes in lambskin. And then for the color, as you would know, it would also come with different colors. I've seen the black lambskin, of course, the black patent leather. I've seen it in red. I've seen also in mustard yellow. Then there is the white one. The white one, guys, I could assure you, the white vintage vanity bag like this is very rare for if you are going to see in the pre-love market. And then of course for the sizes, so this kind of vanity bag comes in two sizes. So first one is this one. This is again, the height of this one is sorry guys, the height of this one is 11 centimeters. And then there is a much taller one. I'm going to put a photo here because I don't have that one in my collection. And I have checked for the price. I have checked in Fashion File how much this would go, or how much this is going for currently. So what I've seen is, so like what I mentioned, I haven't seen the white caviar at Fashion File because this is very rare. So what I've seen at Fashion File is the black lambskin and the black caviar. It ranges from $995 to $1,390 US. So that is for the vintage Chanel vanity bag. Now let us move on to the specification of the Louis Vuitton Nice Mini. So guys, so this is Louis Vuitton Nice Mini. So let's start first with the dimension. So lengthwise, it's actually the same with the Chanel vanity. It's 20 centimeters. The width, this is a little bit narrower. So the Chanel is 14 centimeters and this one is 12 centimeters. And then the height, this is a little bit taller. So Chanel is 11 centimeters. This one is 13 centimeters from here going to the top here. And then for the material of this one, so you could actually purchase this one with different materials. So as you can see here, so this is the monogram canvas with the cowhide or the vachetta trims here. So the vachetta trims would be this. Then it also comes with this one. And then of course the leather trims here. The lining of this one is the wipeable interior, which I really love because again guys, technically this is a vanity bag, so you would be keeping your toiletries or stuff like that. So there's a tendency that the inside you would spill something, but the good thing is you could wipe this one with, you know, a moist towelette or something like that. And then of course it also comes actually in epi leather, so I'm going to try to put some photos here on the side. So it comes with epi leather. And then of course sometimes Louis Vuitton will be coming up with the seasonal collection in this style. What I've seen is the Wild at Heart. I'm going to put a photo here as well. For the price of this one, so oh, by the way guys, the size that you could purchase the Nice collection. So firstly we have the Nano, so that is the smallest size. I'll try to put a video here so you could check for reference. And of course this is the Mini, and then the BB size. The BB size is a little bit bigger for this one, and the difference for that one, it already comes with the buckle here. I'm going to try to put a photo here again. With the buckle already in place, you could easily attach a shoulder strap or any shoulder strap that you may have, and well, sorry guys, whether it's Louis Vuitton or not. And then for the prices of the Nice toiletry pouch, so for the price of the Nano Nice toiletry pouch, it's $880 before tax. Again guys, that is brand new from louisvuitton.com US. And then for the Mini, this is now $1,150, and the BB size, the little bit bigger, is $1,290. I'm not sure guys what is the name because there is a much bigger of the BB, but if I could find photos of the comparison of the different sizes of the Nice toiletry pouch or bags, I'm going to put it here as well. Alright? Alright guys, for more size comparison, side-by-side size comparison, so let's put them together. So as you're going to see here, so wait, how am I going to do this? There. So actually, like what I mentioned, the height of the Louis Vuitton Nice toiletry pouch is a little bit higher because it measures 13 centimeters. So it's 2 centimeters higher than the Chanel vanity bag. Then let's check on. So again, but for this one, we are going to see that the Chanel is a little bit wider compared to the Nice Mini over here. Then the drop over here for the handles. Can you see? There. So now what we are going to discuss next would be on how you can style and wear your vintage Chanel vanity and the Nice Mini, because both of these doesn't have any provision for a shoulder strap, but there is a fix. You could buy this via Amazon, Shopee, or Lazada here in the Philippines. So it looks like this. Let me just open this for you. So it's like a horseshoe there. So it's like a horseshoe. This one, you could unscrew this one, and what you could do is, like for example here, you could attach this to the shoulder, the handles over here, just like what we did with the Nice BB over here. So it is already attached, so it's not damaging the bag at all, because so we don't remove the D-rings anymore when we are storing them, and I could not see any like damages or scratches with the vachetta leather. Sorry guys, my camera, it's not working. There. Once you have attached this, then definitely you would now have a provision for a shoulder strap. So I'm going to put some mod shots photos here on how I would normally wear the Nice Mini, which would include the styling of the shoulder strap. Same thing with the Chanel vanity. So again, this one and even the higher version doesn't come with any provision for a shoulder strap. Some would actually attach on this part here, on this leather strap, but I wouldn't recommend it because I feel that it's not made to last. It may actually rip this part of the leather here. So best option is for you to attach again the D-rings that you can purchase separately from any online shops. So once you have attached it here, then you could now attach any shoulder strap that you want. When I have unboxed this, I have mentioned that I was planning to do or attach a pearl shoulder strap, a chunky pearl shoulder strap. I'm going to put some photo here for reference because I really wanted to do that. I felt that it would be so chic. Again, my camera is not working. I think that would be so chic. So those, I would also put some mod shots here on how this looks like compared to my body frame. Again, guys, I stand 5'5", so there. So what do you think of the two bags? Next is we are going to discuss what fits inside. Alright, so now let us do what fits inside. Let us start first with the Nice Mini toiletry bag over here because this one is a little bit bigger. So let us open. So this one, actually, we have already purchased a bag insert, as you are going to see here. I'll try to check if I could find the link where we purchased this from, but again, we just purchased this via like our local Amazon here called Shopee. So this one. So here are my essentials. Of course, my toiletry pouch over here. So with this toiletry pouch, I house my, of course, there, my YSL card holder, my oil blotting cream, oil blotting powder, my face cream, then of course my lip gloss and lip color over here. And as you can see, normally I would also be including my keys inside this bag so it would not damage the lining or the inside of our beautiful toiletry bags. So let me try if this would fit. Okay, so it fits. And then of course I would be needing my power bank. And then of course I don't have my phone is charging, but here is the case or the cover of the phone. So as you can see, it still fits. And then I could still fit maybe, let's say, one more pouch like this. I could also add, perhaps here on this bag, I could add the phone cable charger over here. And now let's try to close. There. So it is now heavy, but still, as you are going to see, it doesn't bulge out thanks to the bag organizer. There, very nice. So my recommendation is don't fill this up very heavy because the tendency is, as you are going to notice here, I'm not really sure if it has like support on the upper part of the bag. So if it's very heavy, then you might damage the bag and rip this open. So there, so this is a good way to it. So now let's move on to the Chanel. So with the Chanel, I would be using my black patent Vanity Chanel because the white caviar, so like what I mentioned, I need to purchase a bag insert for that one because the lining of that one is already peeled off. But with the patent vanity, as you can see here, the lining is still perfect. So let me just remove everything here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer the contents of what's inside the Louis Vuitton bag. So of course, my pouch with everything here included. So I'm not really sure if it would fit, like for example, if I would be putting it like this, because as you're going to see, the pouch is higher compared to the bag. So maybe what I could do is just put it like this. I would be lying it down. Then of course, what I need is, what's this, guys? My power bank. Then of course, my phone. And then you could put in like this. So it would still fit. And as you are going to notice, guys, it still has some space. Ooh, that's nice. This is the first time that I'm doing this because honestly, I haven't worn my Chanel vanity bag. As you can see, it still weighs the same. So just be very careful of putting so many things inside your bag so you are not going to damage them. So it's a good sign that I was able to fit what fits here. I could transfer here. But again, please take note that there were much more room on top of this one. Maybe you could add your sunglasses, maybe another coin purse or compact wallet. compared to this one. Alright, so now my final recommendation. So for me, if for example, if I would be keeping one, whether would it be the Louis Vuitton Nice Mini or the Chanel Vanity, this would be a tough question, guys, to be honest. But honestly, guys, if for example, if I would be choosing among these two, I'm so sorry, but I would be choosing Chanel Vanity bag. Mainly because currently right now I'm still on Chanel craze, and everything that I really wanted as of the moment is everything Chanel. But guys, I would just be saying one con of the Chanel Vanity is if for example you're going to wear this one as a crossbody after attaching the earrings over here, it's a little bit bulging out because the length of this one, like what I mentioned earlier, that would be 14 centimeters, so it's a little bit awkward. But if for example you're going to wear this one crossbody, it's a little bit narrower, so whenever you're wearing this as a crossbody, so it doesn't like bounce back and forth against your body. Compared to this one, I feel that this is a little bit awkward wearing as a crossbody. But I wouldn't discount the Louis Vuitton Nice Mini, to be honest with you, or Nice Mini. I wouldn't discount this one. If for example I don't have this, I would still be very happy with this one. You just need to be very careful. So like for example, this one is a vintage bag, so the lining of this one is not good anymore because it was already peeled off. So whenever you're going to purchase a vintage Chanel vanity bag, you just need to be on the lookout for a condition that you are going to be very, very happy. So like for example, this one, the lining is perfect, but there are imperfections with the outer part. And then this one is perfect on the outside, but on the inside there is imperfection, but there is a fix. Just buy a bag liner. So this one, so this is brand new. So this is just 1 year old on our collection. So the patina has, or the condition of the vachetta has already patinaed very beautifully. It doesn't have any watermark. The lining also, I'm actually surprised. So the lining is still very, very good, and it looks like it has patinaed as well, so I might be wrong. So if I could find like maybe a photo of a vintage Nice BB or Nice toiletry bags, I'm going to put here because I'm really curious. Like for example, these bags are like 20 to 25 years old, so this is just 1 year old, so I don't have any comparison. But so for me, guys, in general, I wouldn't discount any of these vanity bags. I would say it's very good addition to your collection. Some may feel iffy in using this one as a everyday bag because it is a vanity bag. Me, I don't care for that one. I would be wearing anything just as long it makes me happy. There's hopefully, guys, this is very helpful to you as well. There, how did you find our episode for today, guys? So hopefully you find this enjoyable and very informative, of course. Hopefully I was able to provide you all the information needed with these two beautiful vanity bags, the Louis Vuitton Nice Mini and the Chanel Vintage Vanity Bag. So I would love to hear your thoughts. Let's start a conversation. If you have any question, guys, please do comment down below. Again, guys, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam by clicking this cute little icon here so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our luxury addicted family. Also, please do follow me on Instagram.com/Ramirify so you can get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Again, guys, a million thank yous for staying with me in this episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I would see everyone soon. Bye!